Today, we dive into another enigma of the Sigma female in the fascinating world of Sigmas. It's clear that nowadays, people are paying more attention to Sigma females, how they live and what makes them unique. Sigma females are seen as the most unique type of woman in the social ladder of dominance. As rare as society's unicorn BS, they stand out because there are so few of them choosing to go their own way. These women don't follow the usual social rules or let society's structure control them. Their ability to succeed on their own terms is what makes them so interesting to people. Famous examples like Alice Walton and Julia Kay show how Sigma females can be among the most successful women today. In this video, we'll explore what makes the Sigma female so powerful and successful. Let's dive in. 1. Sigma females don't worry about being judged. Most people are scared of others' opinions about them, but Sigma females care only about how they see themselves. They're not bothered by what anyone else thinks as long as they're living their life their way. While many are held back by fear of judgment, Sigma females trust their gut and stay true to themselves in ways others can hardly imagine. This self-reliance and confidence are key to their success. Unlike alpha and beta females who often limit themselves, Sigma females don't box themselves into a single identity. They remain true to their own interests and beliefs, not changing for anyone. This freedom and determination open up a world of possibilities for them, helping them find their true purpose without being constrained. 2. A Sigma female knows her limits and is okay with them. She doesn't let a bruised ego bother her. While alpha and beta females might struggle with ego challenges, Sigma females face their flaws head-on, not scared of being called out on them. She sees her limitations as opportunities to get better, not setbacks. This realistic grasp of her capabilities allows her to choose paths that fit her best, leading to higher chances of success. 3. She uses her past as a learning tool. Sigma females are deeply introspective, often turning inward to understand themselves better rather than looking for external approval. Their preference for self-reflection allows them to effectively learn from past actions, making it rare for them to make the same mistake twice. This keen self-awareness and capacity for growth are key reasons behind a Sigma female's life achievements. For her honesty stands out. Sigma females are known for their absolute honesty, both with themselves and with others. They prefer the truth, even if it's hard, over comforting lies. They're realistic about their abilities and straightforward with others, which can sometimes come across as too direct. But their belief in honesty as the best approach proves beneficial. If you've made it this far, pat yourself on the back. You've got a key Sigma female trait: finishing what you start. 5. She's a risk-taker. Sigma females usually aren't scared of failing. They often go further than others, taking chances because they're quietly confident and love adventure. Their success and creativity often come from daring to try new things without fear of being criticized or failing. This risk-taking is why Francois Baccar-Meyers and Alice Walton are among the most successful Sigma leaders today. You might wonder what makes these women so successful. It's pretty straightforward. Their success comes from their bravery in taking risks and exploring uncharted territories. 6. She's naturally curious. Sigma females are recognized for their sharp minds, and they often have an endless thirst for knowledge. They like to think deeply about things, and if something catches their interest, they're likely to explore it until the end. Self-teaching is how many Sigma females satisfy their need to know more, making them experts in their chosen fields. A Sigma woman can be spotted by her ability to share countless facts, and her success is often linked to this deep knowledge. 7. She's incredibly focused. When a Sigma woman goes after what she loves, her concentration is unmatched. Sigma women really put their heart into what they care about and work hard to achieve their dreams. This amazing ability to concentrate comes from their naturally smart minds and their intense passion. Sigma women don't stop working on a project until it's done, which makes people see them as perfectionists who strive for success in everything they do. This drive for perfection gives Sigma women a big boost and often helps them climb higher in life. 8. She's a natural leader. People often say a Sigma woman is an introvert with the qualities of an alpha because of her quiet but confident and determined nature. Unlike the alpha, who likes to lead up front, Sigma women possess leadership qualities without the need to control others. They have the strength to step up like an alpha when needed, becoming effective leaders without showing off. Sigma women are often seen as leaders who lead by example rather than being loud about it. Their quiet confidence earns them more respect than those who lead with aggression. 9. She believes in her skills. A Sigma woman is very true to herself, knowing her strengths and weaknesses well. She isn't afraid to acknowledge her limits. She's well trained in improving her abilities and quickly spots where she needs to grow. With a high level of self-awareness and confidence in what she's good at, Sigma women use this knowledge to their advantage. This awareness and confidence help them throughout life, allowing them to focus on developing the skills that matter most. 10. She's a thinker. Sigma women look at the world with a questioning eye, always analyzing. They doubt everything around them, valuing logic above all. They don't tolerate foolishness and spend a lot of time thinking through situations to find the best solution. Their natural analytical ability means they often come up with new and unique ideas, making them known as trailblazers. While they prefer their own company, their knack for noticing the small things makes them invaluable in a team. 11. She knows who she is. A Sigma woman is very aware of herself. She often understands that she doesn't exactly blend in from a young age and shows a way of thinking and acting that stands out from those around her. Sigma women come to embrace what makes them different and ignore any stereotypes people might hold about them. They spend a lot of time reflecting on themselves because their main goal is to live on their own terms. This deep self-knowledge often plays a big role in their success in life. 12. She's all in when it comes to her goals. Sigma women can choose their own paths without worrying about what others expect. If a Sigma woman sets a goal, she's serious about achieving it. With a natural determination, they focus deeply on reaching their personal best and dreams. Once they aim for something, they're nearly impossible to stop. Success often follows Sigma women because of this dedication. 13. She's naturally curious. A Sigma woman's mind is always seeking new knowledge, driven by a strong intellectual curiosity. They're intrigued by the world and eager to explore places and ideas that are unknown. Their willingness to challenge boundaries often puts them ahead of others. This curiosity is why many Sigma women become leading innovators and successful entrepreneurs, always on the hunt for something new. 14. She loves her alone time. Sigma females really value being by themselves, seeing it as a chance to grow and be creative. Instead of always wanting to be around others or needing their approval, a Sigma woman feels stronger and clearer when she's alone. This alone time isn't just a pause from the hustle and bustle. It's where she plans her future and comes up with her best ideas. Her enjoyment of quiet moments makes her different, helping her think of ideas and solutions that truly match who she is. Her passion for quiet time is a big part of her success as it helps her listen to her own thoughts and stay on her chosen path. 15. She's flexible and tough. In a constantly changing world, Sigma females are known for their skill to adjust and recover from tough times. Where some might fight against change or get swamped by it, a Sigma woman views change as a chance to learn and get stronger. Her toughness comes from knowing that hard times are just hurdles to get past. Being flexible means she's open to changing her plans or ways of doing things for better results. This toughness and ability to adapt are important qualities that help her deal with life's challenges, making it more likely for her to reach her goals and succeed in whatever she decides to do. And there you have it, a glimpse into the captivating world of Sigma females. These exceptional women stand out for their self-reliance, insight, and resilience, charting their own courses with authenticity. Their stories highlight the importance of self-knowledge, bravery, and individualism, redefining success on their own terms. The Sigma female's journey is a powerful reminder of the strength in staying true to oneself, offering inspiration to all. Thanks for joining us in exploring what makes Sigma females extraordinary. Keep seeking, questioning, and embracing your true self until next time.